Okay, just starting some questions here, not questions. So, some small topic. So, what is public IP in cloud, private IP in cloud, elastic IP in cloud? So, when we say public IP, we can simply say over internet. When we say private, it is within VPC. And elastic to near change over time. So this is the main difference between them. So, and if we come to the practical example, so simply we take an example of this instance. If you see here, so there is no public IP assigned, only private IP, because this is a chargeable IP. So that is kind of when we start the server, there will be IP assigned to it. And that IP will be routable over internet. So that time we can say, because if we try to access this, simply if we try to access this server over this IP, it will not be accessible. Okay, so this is a public IP. So suppose I want to access this over internet. So if I will deploy my website, so it will be accessible over there. So let's show you the example. So suppose I'm just running a container here. Now I will try to run it. Yeah. So it is working now. So simply, but it is not working. This is the same instance address, but it can't be accessed over this IP, but it can be accessed within this IP. So in simple word, what we can say, suppose this is our network, VPC. Inside that VPC, this is our subnet. Inside that, this is our EC2 or server. So it will be having two IP, that is public and that is private. If we want to access this EC2 or connect to this EC2 over internet, then we need to use this public IP. This is over internet ID. And this IP, if we suppose there is a VPC in another subnet, there is a S3 or any other resource which you want to connect with this EC2, so then it can use this private IP. So that is for within VPC communication. So this is the biggest difference, but this IP will be changed after instant will be started. So in that case, we can use static or elastic IP. Nothing but it is also used for accessing over the internet, and this is inside the VPC, and this is our internet gateway to access it. So that's all. That is a very small topic about